Hi everyone, welcome back to the Web3 channel. In this video, we're going to be looking at some Bitfinex news regarding Ontario and its users. Let's go into the news itself. Bitfinex advises Ontario-based users to close accounts before March 1st. The Ontario Securities Commission has been responsible for cracking down on crypto exchanges operating in the region, including Binance, OKX, Bybit, KuCoin, and Polo Digital Assets. So let's go into the news. In a Friday announcement, Bitfinex said it would be immediately closing the accounts for Ontario-based customers who have no balances on the platform. In addition to it planned to restrict access to those who do not have open positions in the exchange's peer-to-peer financing market or open margin positions. Let's have a quick look at Bitfinex's actual statement. Important notice for Ontario, Canada customers. Bitfinex is making changes to the services we provide to Ontario customers. Please see below for more details on who is impacted. Some changes are effective immediately, others will be implemented on March 1st, 2022. Starting today, we are taking 3 actions. Ontario customers who do not have who do not have balances on the platform will have their accounts closed, and Ontario customers who do not have open positions in our peer-to-peer financing markets will no longer have access to those markets, providing funding to margin traders or users of Bitfinex Borrow and receiving funding for margin trading or using Bitfinex Borrow. Ontario customers who do not have open margin positions or borrowing positions in our peer-to-peer financing markets will no longer have access to open margin positions or engaging in borrowing, receiving funding for margin trading or using Bitfinex Borrow. Starting on March 2022, Ontario customers will no longer have access to any services. Any Ontario customers who have open positions in our peer-to-peer financing markets are advised to immediately start exiting those positions in preparation for March 2022. Additionally, Ontario customers should withdraw all funds from Bitfinex on or before March 1st. We are thankful to our customers, users who have balances or open positions on Bitfinex and are one of the roughly 15 million residents of Ontario, which includes Toronto and the nation's capital city of Ottawa, will no longer have access to the services. The exchange advised customers to withdraw funds. Though Bitfinex did not mention the Ontario Security Commission, or OSC, the region's financial watchdog has been responsible for cracking down on crypto exchanges operating in the area, including OKX, Bybit, KuCoin, and Polo Digital Assets. In December, the OSC issued a notice that Binance was not authorized to offer trading in derivatives or securities to persons or companies located in the province. After the crypto exchange reportedly told its users it would be able to continue offering services in the region, Binance reportedly said there was a miscommunication on the issue. If you have a look at the CFTC's actual actions here, we'll see here, and this was obviously back a few months ago, CFTC slaps Tether and Bitfinex with a combined $42.5 million fine. The settlement triggered concerns that the CFTC's role in stablecoin regulation could be misunderstood by the public. On October 15, the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, or CFTC, handed sister crypto companies Tether and Bitfinex fines totaling $41 million and $1.5 million, respectively, citing violations of the Commodity Exchange Act, or CEA, and of a prior CFTC order. The regulator has found that Tether, the firm behind an eponymous stablecoin, has only held sufficient fiat reserves to back the dollar-pegged asset for 27.6% of time during the 26-month period under review between 16 and 18. The agency also stated that Tether violated the law by holding part of the reserves in non-fiat financial instruments, as well as by commingling operational and reserve funds. In a simultaneous action, the Commodity Futures Watchdog settled charges with Bitfinex for facilitating illegal off-exchange retail commodity transactions in digital assets with US persons on its platform, in addition to operating as a Futures Commission merchant, or FCM, without registering as required. In a concurring statement, CFTC Commissioner Dawn Stump backed the action while also expressing concerns that the settlement could provide users of stablecoins with a false sense of comfort, as they may falsely conclude that CFTC regulates stablecoins and oversees their issuers. While the CFTC has applied definition of a commodity to stablecoins in the present case, Stump distanced the commission from regulating this asset class and having daily insight into the business of those who issue stablecoins. Tether issued a rebuttal statement insisting that it maintained adequate reserves at all times. The firm explained its decision to settle by its willingness to resolve this matter in order to move forward and focus on the future. What are your thoughts on everything that you've seen here? Let me know in the comments below, and of course, Make sure to do what you need to do if you are an Ontario-based Bitfinex customer, and of course there will, I would assume at least, be alternatives out there. Of course, nothing on this channel is financial advice. Make sure to do your own research. Have a great day, everyone. I'll see you in the next Web3 video.